Jingle Bells in C major. Um, I'm learning this by ear as I teach it to you guys as well. So bear with me. There may be some mistakes. So it's okay. We'll make sure we clean that up. But practice makes perfect. And I'm here to show you no matter how many years of experience, you still have to practice. So this song is just as new to me to playing as it is for you. So let's start. Starts in the key of C major. Do the scale. C major scale. We're gonna start basic. We're just gonna go with the notes, with the melody. And here we go. That's the first part. Then we get to the now we're gonna get out of there. Now dashing through the snow. Now let's add the bass in the melody. Simple bass. mess ups in there, but now let's do it with the chords. Always when you're doing the chords, when you're playing with the melody, you want the melody on top.